Hello students, today we are going to start with the chapter Surface Area and Volumes of class 9. Yes, so the very first exercise is regarding the cube and the cuboid, and the exercise number 13.1. I have taken the very first question to give you the example or to make you understand. So the very first question is a plastic box 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and 65 centimeter deep is to be made. So according to the question, they need to make a plastic box. These are the dimensions that are given to us, that is length, breadth and the height. It is opened at the top. It means the top is not there, it is open from on the top. Ignoring the thickness of the plastic sheet, determine what we need to find out: the area of the sheet required for making the box. Means we have to find out the surface area, or we have to find out the total area for the plastic box, the cost of the sheet for it, and we need to find out the cost of the sheet also. If a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. So these are the things. 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20. So whenever we will find the total surface area, of course the surface area will come in a meter square. We have to find out the cost also. So for this, let's draw a figure for this plastic box. So this is the plastic box, that is of the cuboid shape. Yes, see, this is the box. Yes, now this is the plastic box and the dimensions are given to us: 1.5 meter long, 1.25 meter wide and the 65 centimeter deep. Yes, so let's write it. L is equal to 1.5 meter and the breadth is equal to 1.25 meter and the height is equal to, if it is deep, it means, see, this is the height, it means it is deep, इतना गहरा है ये, okay, that is equal to 65 centimeter. Yes, now there is no top, it means 5 surfaces are there. Suppose I want to open this, so what will happen? This is suppose the base. So if I want to open this side, this one side, so it will be like this. Yes, and if I want to open this will be like this. Yes, if I want to open this one side, it will be like this, and if I want to open the back side, that will be like this. The top is not here. Yes, so we can see how many faces are there, how many surfaces are there in this cuboid box. That we have, the sheet is required for how many surfaces? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so 5 surfaces are there. Yes, now we have to find out the area of the sheet, the complete area of this sheet. So why I open this box? So that it will be make you easy how we can find. See what we can see here, when we just fold this one, so it becomes height. Here it will becomes a height, but it is this is the length, this is the length. Yes, and this is the breadth. Yes, and this is the height. Yes, so this is the height, so it is very clear to you. Now let's write the formula for the total surface area of the cuboid. Yes, because you can see your pencil box, your tiffin box, your shoe box, all are of the cuboid shape. So what is the surface area of cuboid? First of all, we will start with this: twice of L into B plus length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length. Yes, this is the total surface area. This is the total surface area for the cuboid. But when we talk about the total one, when we are using this word total, it means the top is also there. Yes, now let's write the one more formula, that is the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of cuboid. that is twice of L plus B into height. Yes, when we talk about the lateral surface area, it means only the four sides are covered, not the bottom one, not the top one. Yes, so when we talk about the lateral, it means the only the four sides are covered. So for example, if we want to find out the surface area for the four walls of your room, it means we are not using the floor and the roof. It means we are talking about the lateral surface area. So here this is the formula for the lateral surface area. Now come to the question. The question is about there is no top. Yes, so we can find out the surface area by using this formula also and by using this formula also. How? See, the total surface area, when we are talking about the total surface area, it means all the 6 surfaces are we are using. Here the 5 surfaces are there when the top is not here. If the top will be here, it means there are 6 total surfaces in the cuboid. So when we talk about the total surface area, it means 6 surfaces are there. So for surface area for plastic box, that we need to find out. Yes, so how many surfaces are there? 5, and we are going to use the total surface area formula. So how we can find out? Plus height into L minus, why we are subtracting? We want to subtract one surface. When we want to subtract one surface, that is the top we want to subtract, and it means that is length into breadth. That will be one rectangular. When we talk about only the top one, it will be a rectangle type surface. Yes, so L into B. Yes, this is the one formula that we can find out for when the 5 surfaces are given to us. Yes, now by using this lateral surface area, again I am talking about surface area for plastic box. Yes, now I am going to use this lateral surface area, twice of L plus B into height. Yes, this one plus. Now because this lateral surface area talk about only the 4 surfaces, now we want to find out the one surface more, that is the bottom one. Yes, this bottom one, again L into B, again it is a rectangle. So now for when we use this formula lateral one, then we will use L into B, we will add L into B. When we use this total surface area, this is for the 6 surfaces, so we need to subtract one surface, that is L into B. So we can use either this formula or this one. So if we see these two formulae, which formula we are going to use? See, it is up to you whatever the formula you like. But if I see here, see, multiplication plus multiplication plus multiplication, subtraction, again multiplication. Here only the sum into multiplication and one more multiplication. Means more operations are there. Yes, so here is the less operation. So it's my choice that I am going to use this. But it is your own wish which formula that you prefer. It is completely up to you. Both are correct. You can use for the 5 surfaces of cuboid any one of this formula. Yes, so now we have already, these are the dimensions. We need to put the dimensions, that is the value of L here, the value of breadth, that is this here, and the height, this one. So come to the height also. See the very first point also, that is also very important. Now we have to, when we are going to put this dimensions in the formula, we need to check whether about the unit. So here we can see here, so see the length is in the meter, breadth is also in the meter, but the height is in the centimeter. So we need to change this height into the meter. So while dividing, that is equal to 65 upon 100, that will equal to 0.65 centimeter. Yes, now we can say, meter. Now we can say all the three units, all these three dimensions are in the same unit. Yes, now let's put the values. Yes, so it will be equal to twice of L is here 1.5 plus breadth is here 1.25 into height, that is 0.65 plus L again, that is 1.5 into 1.25. Yes, now this is the thing that we have put the value in the formula. Now we have to calculate this. That is equal to twice of, and this is the sum of this is become 2.75 into 0.65 plus 1.5 into 1.25, that will equal to 1.875. Yes, now again we need to multiply all these three and we can get 3.575. Yes, plus 1.875. Yes, so now this is, we are going to add this and we will get 5.45 meter square. So this is the surface area for the plastic box. Yes, this is the surface area that we have find out for the plastic box. Now the next second thing that we need to find out, first of all we need to find out the area of the sheet required for making the box, that we have already find out. Yes, now the cost of the sheet for it, if a sheet measuring 1 meter square cost rupees 20. Yes, so 1 meter square is equal to rupees 20, but here we have a 5.5 meter square, so we need to multiply, instead of meter square, that we will multiply by 20 and we can get the cost of the sheet. Yes, so the cost of the sheet, is equal to 5.45 into rupees 20, where 1 meter square is equal to of rupees 20. Yes, now we need to multiply and we can get 5 to the 10, 4 to the 8, 9 and 5 to the 10, that is equal to 10. So it is equal to 109. Yes, so 109. So the cost of the sheet is equal to 109. Yes, I hope it is clear. Let's revise the question. See, the dimensions of a plastic box is given, where it is open from the top, and we need to find out the area of the sheet that is used to make the box. It means we need to see if it is made by the sheet and this is the box that we have made. So we need to find out these 5 surfaces, and I already told you that we have 2 formulae to find out whether we can subtract from L into B one rectangle from the total surface area, or we can add L into B, that is the area of the one rectangle, to the literal surface area. We need to put the values, and we have find out 1 meter square, 5.45 meter square, that is the surface area. Since 1 meter square is equal to of rupees 20, so the cost of the sheet will be, by multiplying, instead of meter square, because 1 meter square is equal to of rupees 20, we can get rupees 109. Yes, so this is the first question that we have completed. I hope it is very clear to you. Yes, thank you.